Dude, I slept so bad.
Huh?
I slept so bad.
I slept so bad also. I couldn't fall asleep. It's 5:07, day 8 of New Zealand vlogs. 8-hour hike, baby. I'm sleeping. Okay, let's go wash up. Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on. Okay, it's 5:28. The reason we're up so early is because we're gonna do an 8-hour hike and it's supposed to rain at 2 and we don't want to be caught in the rain, so our plan is to hike from 6 to 2. And today I am moving too because I do not want to hike in the rain. If you saw yesterday's vlog, you freaking know. Okay, 5:36, the hair is done. This is the fit. Okay, we'll do a fit check later. Let's go. Time is 6:05. This is the trail that we're doing, the Alex Knob 8-hour return. It's gonna be a gnarly incline apparently. Alex Knob 8-hour fit check. Let's get it. Someone shine some light on me. It's 6:12. Number of steps, 0. Let's get it. The light is out. Okay, we're taking a little break. We are retiring the headlights. Thank God, because my neck was getting kind of tired from carrying that headlight. My body heat is just emitting, so my glasses are like fogging up. We go now. We were taking a water break, but the sky is bright. It's a little bit cloudier than I would want it, but at least it's not raining. Oh, let's get a move on.
Well, bang on then. I want to get out my forehead.
Huh? Wow!
So cloudy. Huh? We are going to cloudy.
Not the other. Spotted the glacier. Oh. Oh. Wow.
Nice job.
Woo. Okay, it's 8 o'clock. We just passed the Rada point. It was drizzling a little bit, but at least we have some tree cover and hopefully it stays as just a drizzle, but yeah. Water bladder. My next BTO. Breaking the tree line, boys. Wow. It's the Christmas lookout! Oh, we got some sun. Okay, it's 9:38. Technically, we're supposed to reach the summit in about like 40 minutes, but I don't know if we're going all the way up there. And if we are, I don't think that's gonna take 40 minutes. The views just get better as we go, so we keep chugging on. Reach the top when we reach the top. My guess is like 10:40. Yeah. I think we're almost there, guys. And we were blessed with some blue skies. Almost there. This is absolutely insane. We are so high. Yo, look at this. Oh my gosh. On top of the world. We gotta be near the top. No more trees. We're already so high up. We gotta be almost there. And if we are, it's pretty close to 4 hours. And we stopped a lot to poop and to take pictures. Poop and pictures, baby. I'll check back in when we're at the top. Okay, I know I said I'll check in when we're at the top, but we're pretty much at the top. Oh, I see the orange thing there. Oh, my thumb's always in the shot. Yo, this photo looks like Vinland, bro. Yo, but that's so far. There he is. Oh. This is crazy. Okay, I think I for real need to check in on top because every corner I turn is just insanity. This is altering my brain chemistry right now. My mouth is so numb I can barely speak, but oh my god! There they are! They're so peaked right now. Literally! Yeah, baby! Woo! Woo!
Oh yeah, let's go!
It's hell windy! Kinda scary! Oh my god! I'm gonna layer up because it's hell windy. If I can do this. Yeah! Holy shit! Guys, this is crazy. The views in the last 10 minutes were just views on views, but nothing compares to what we're seeing right now. I'm stripping! I'm walking Oyak's knob right now!
Oh?
I can't zip!
Let's see. I want to take a picture of us.
Guys, it's hella windy. I'm actually kind of nervous. Okay, it's 11:36. We have started our descent. We're gonna find somewhere to eat because out there was obviously way too windy. And it's only 11, so we have a lot of time! And the sky is so blue! Okay, it's a little cloudy, but it's not raining. And the sun came out, so that was nice. Okay! We found this little spot. We're gonna have lunch now. It's not exactly lunchtime, but you know, we woke up at 5 AM, so it's basically lunchtime. Itadakimasu!
No, come on.
Oh, come on.
Thank freaking god.
Okay,
That was the longest descent ever. That took so long.
seriously?
It's 3:33. We're walking to look at a lake. Already lost my mom. We're adding another like 30 minutes of walking for I'm over it. I am over it. Hey. That's a lake for sure. That is a lake. Wombat! Wombat! It's 3:48. Let's see how fast I can get down the last 30 minutes of the Alex Knob hike. Okay. Catch you later! Oh my god! 3:57. Yeah, I caught up with my mom. We're way in front also.
They're way behind?
Yeah, they're way behind. Yay! Alex Knob, top 2 finishers. It's 4:05 right now. We started at 0 steps. My guess for step count is 22k. 4. Let's do 24. Mom, any guesses for steps? 27. She says 27. I say 24. 30k. 30199. Insane. Anyways, they are far behind. Those people. So slow. It's 4:30 and we're finally home.
It was a dream. Come and do it another time.
What are you doing?
We have dinner. Mom got fish and chips. Dad got pasta. Brother got ribs. I got ribs. Sister got ribs. It's 11:57. I was just about to go to bed, but I forgot to end vlog. If you stayed till this point, thank you. And comment, those are some sick views, girl.